My beautiful child, I want to start by saying I love you so much. And if I don't tell you this at all, or if I don't tell you this enough, I want you to know that I am sorry that is so. My heart overflows with the love I have for you. A love that has grown stronger with each day. I have the honor to watch you grow into the amazing person you are today. And that fills me with immense pride. You faced challenges with grace and resilience. And your kindness and compassion shine so brightly. Never dim your light for anything or anyone, no matter what. Since the day I carried you in my womb, I knew I was carrying and bringing someone so special for the world. You have been amazing since day one, and you continue to be amazing every day and night. Never doubt yourself. Always listen to your gut. It is God's compass for you. You are smarter than you think. You are capable of achieving amazing things, and don't allow anybody to ever tell you or make you believe otherwise. Life is challenging, but I know you're strong enough to overcome any obstacle. Always be strong and kind to yourself and others. Never be afraid to ask for help. We are all here to help one another and evolve. When you don't ask for help, nobody will know how to help you. Also, be careful who you ask for help from and who you allow in your space, because not everybody will help you. Some people will see an opportunity to take advantage of those in need. Be careful at all times in all that you do. I am always here for you, even if it's not physically. Never be afraid to reach out, to share with me everything you are going through in life, be it life's challenges or joys. You are capable of anything you set your mind to, and I believe in you more than you will ever know. I am so proud of you and the person you are and are becoming. I am so excited to see what the future holds for you. My love for you is endless and unconditional. Through this journey of life, remember to be kind, have empathy, and integrity. Be kind, but don't allow people to push you around or step all over you. Kindness does not mean allowing that to be so. Always be true to yourself and never compromise your values for the sake of others. Embrace your unique talents and passions. Never stop learning and never stop growing. Never stop teaching and never stop sharing. Stand up for yourself no matter what the circumstance or how big the situation or person is. Remember that every situation dealt to you in your life is a test and a lesson. Be teachable. That's how you will grow in life. Do what you love, even if some people don't believe in it or believe in you. Believe in yourself. That's all you need. That's what will get you the life you desire. Chase your dreams and don't stop until you catch them and they are your life. I love you so much.